Jessie here. I am back with my weekly grocery haul. I don't have very much battery left on this camera, so I'm going to go through it really quickly. Just know that there are some ice cream bars that I bought from Walmart that I'm not going to show you because they're already in the freezer because they were a melted mess by the time I got them home. I took my mother-in-law shopping today and she shops just a wee bit slower than I, so they got melted, so not going to show you those. All this stuff on the left here is from Aldi. We're going to go through that stuff first. So I got a dozen eggs, some of these dill pickle chips for sandwiches or burgers or whatever, some bell peppers. We're going to do some steak sandwiches this week. I picked up a few blocks of cheese, some Colby Jack, some Colby, and some extra sharp cheddar. Fuji apples, some oranges. Those were on sale. A gallon of milk, half a gallon of chocolate milk, and some orange juice. Couple of boxes of corn dogs for the kids to have for lunch this week. I picked up a couple jars of my favorite tomato, basil, and garlic pasta sauce. Also a jar of taco sauce. We haven't tried Aldi's taco sauce before, so hopefully that's good. I got some white button mushrooms. Some steak sauce for those steak sandwiches. Mozzarella cheeses for steak sandwiches as well. I got some cream cheese spread. A few yogurts for the kids. They had boneless, skinless chicken thighs on sale, $2 off, so I picked up those. Some frozen stuff here, some potato puffs and some crispy circles. Back there are some cookies. Also from Aldi, we got English muffins and some everything bagels. I picked up some of this jambalaya mix. We've got some smoked sausage in the freezer. I thought that would go good with that. Some of these woven wheat crackers that I love so much. Those will go great with that cheese. And lastly, I believe at Aldi are the sodas. So we got some citrus twist and some cola. Alright, moving on to Walmart. A couple of bags of potato chips. I got some country gravy packets. You guys know we're going to do country fried steak. We love it. It's right here. These frozen country fried steak patties. They are phenomenal in the air fryer, so it makes for a super easy dinner. Got some lettuce and tomato for sandwiches. Also picked up some lemons to do some lemon water. There's another one of those gravy packets. I got some of this oven roasted turkey breast for sandwiches for the week. Bag of cereal here, Honey Graham toasters. This is my husband's favorite. Look, I didn't even take everything out of the bag, you guys. I'm a mess today. I got the sizzle steaks because we're going to do those steak sandwiches. Like I said, that's what I like to use for those. I got some baby Swiss so that we can do patty melts this week. Also some more of these frozen buttermilk biscuits. You guys, these are the best biscuits ever. I got some frozen pork sausage patties to do breakfast sandwiches, either on those biscuits or on the English muffins I showed you guys earlier. Some tampons. The New York style rye bread makes a great patty melt, so delicious. And then I got the little sub buns for the steak sandwiches. So that's it for my grocery haul this week. And I am out of breath, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this short. My battery is flashing at me, telling me it's just about dead. So I hope you guys enjoyed the super quick grocery haul. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.